open them, open them, open them. Grace, wait for her. Wait for Grace. Wait for Grace to catch up.
Frustration. This is so much. I can't wait. Oh my God! Cindy, she wrapped it like 15 million times! What the heck is this? It's it! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Thank you so much! Oh my God!
Merry Christmas.
Oh, thank you so much!
You okay?
Yes!
You weren't expecting that, were you?
No!
Okay.
You give me iPad. Now you have something to plug it into.
I love you.